Hey everyone, Jake here for Extreme Terrain, and in this video we're taking a look at the Barricade soft roll-up tonneau cover fitting 2016 to 2023 Tacomas. If you're looking for an easy and inexpensive way to add some additional protection and covered storage to your truck, then look no further. This option from Barricade offers durable materials and easy use at one of the best prices in the segment. Adding a tonneau cover addresses one of the only real issues with having a pickup truck, and that is the lack of covered weatherproof storage space. Aside from the cab, really you don't have anything. And while you could spend a ton of money on a bed topper or a hard tonneau cover, if you just want something that's a bit more budget friendly that will still do the job, a soft cover like this one may be just what you're after. Now this one in particular from Barricade features a roll-up design, so this will make for easy use, and it means that the entirety of your bed space will remain usable whether you've got this on or off. And when you do roll it up, unlike folding covers, this is going to stay out of the way and won't restrict your rearward visibility, as you've got some clasps right here that will just lock it right into place when it's fully rolled up. It also features a pretty slick design when it's rolled out and covering the bed. It keeps things pretty low profile and makes for a bit of an aerodynamic bonus as well, since covering your bed may help increase your fuel mileage slightly, since it's going to smooth out airflow over the rear of the truck. Now your mileage obviously will vary there, but something that might be a potential benefit for you. But the big benefit here is that this is going to help keep dirt and moisture out of the bed of your truck, protecting what you have stored in there thanks to the included weather stripping. Now this is a great option for you if you want an easy to use setup that's going to make your truck more versatile, since it gives you, again, yet another covered storage area. And again, you could easily get this out of the way should you need the full length of the bed. It's just going to roll up pretty easily, and again, you've got all these big pieces of weather stripping around the edges to help keep stuff out of it. Construction here is also a highlight. The rails here and the frame of the cover are made from heavy-duty aluminum, meaning that they're going to be strong and durable while also being lightweight and easy to handle. Now, the top of the cover is made from a vinyl-coated polyester fabric, making again for a durable, lightweight covering. And the whole thing is finished off with this nice leather-type grain just to add a bit of extra visual interest. The whole thing includes some weather stripping to help keep out that dirt and moisture and protect what you've got stored. This is overall a pretty solid setup and one that should last you a while too. As for the price, this is going to run you about $275, making one of the least expensive tonneaus on the market. And it's pretty inexpensive even for a soft cover. You're getting a good quality item here, and for the benefits that it can provide, there really aren't any drawbacks. So if you're looking for some additional coverage and storage space for your truck, I'd say this is a worthwhile upgrade. Installation is going to get a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you about 1 hour to complete. This is a pretty straightforward process, and everything you need comes included in the box, making it an easy job to tackle at home. Everything is just going to bolt right on as well, so you don't need to make any modifications to your truck itself. But enough of me talking about it, let's go ahead and throw it out to the install bay, where we'll walk you through the process.
For this install, you need the supplied Allen wrench. All right, today we're going to be installing a tonneau cover on our Tacoma, so let's get started. All right, now we have our tonneau cover still rolled up. We're going to put it over the front of our bed. You just want to make sure that this seal here lays over the front. All right, now we're going to install our side rails. So we have this Allen bolt here that's loose. Make sure it's secured into the front, and then slide our rail over. And then we'll tighten down that Allen key with our supplied Allen wrench. All right, now we're going to tighten down our Allen bolt with our supplied Allen key. All right, now we have 3 clamps on either side to hold our rail to our bed. There is 2 different attachments on the bottom. Ours already came assembled, but you will be using the one that looks like a lowercase h to lock into our rail system here. So it's going to go in our rail system in the bottom and go over our rail. You see the groove that it'll lock into. And then you just put the other 2 on, spacing them out. And then you're going to spin the handle to tighten them down and adjust them if you need to, forward and back and in and out. All right, now you go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. All right, now if you need to, when closing this all the way, the end will latch into the back here on either side. If you need to adjust it to loosen up or tighten it, you're just gonna loosen these 2 Allen bolts inside here. Move these forward or back, just make sure they stay even on both sides. All right, now once you have it adjusted properly, you just unroll your tonneau cover and latch it into place.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the Barricade soft roll-up tonneau cover fitting 2016 to 2023 Tacomas. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Tacoma, be sure to keep it right here at extremeterrain.com.